Okay.
Not a lot.
How much money do you have?
I'm from California. How much money do you have? Not a lot.
Right. How much money do you have? Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Right. So now, this is the question we are talking about, the quantity. Okay. So you can ask the questions which are related to this. You can ask the questions like, yesterday we discussed, does it cost?
How much these?
How much
Price?
does it cost?
Just sir.
Right? How much does it cost? Okay.
Cost.
Or we can talk about the quantity of anything, right? So how much means whenever you're talking about the quantity of uncountable noun, right? So what is the difference between countable and uncountable? You know the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by countable?
Counting, sir. Countable example books, sir. Uncountable example salt, sugar.
Very good. Sugar, salt, right?
Rice also we can take, sir.
Yes, rice. Very good. Okay.
Stars.
Yes. So countable means which can be measurable, right? You will be able to measure the count, how many number. For example, I have 10 pens, right? So what is the number here? 10. So I'm able to count the number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Sir.
I'm able to count the number 10
Countable.
pens, right? Yes. Okay. Similarly, 2 motorbikes, 2 cars, 5 houses, right?
5 chairs.
Yes, 5 chairs, like that. So whatever the things you are able to count, those nouns can be known as countable, right?
Countable.
Uncountable in the sense where you can be able to count, right? Like rice, sand, water, stars, hair, milk, right? So these are all uncountable.
Water.
Yes, uncountable.
Sugar.
Right?
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar, sand, these are all, salt, these are all uncountable.
Uncountable. Uncountable noun.
Yes. Right? These are all countables. And so you can write down here uncountable.
Countable.
Right?
Salt.
Yes.
Rice. Salt. Water. Sand. Sand. Sugar.
Yes. Right.
Sugar.
Sand.
Milk.
Enough, right?
Yes.
So you understood the concept, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, right. Right. So these are all countable and uncountable nouns. Is it clear?
Uncountable.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, so whenever we are talking about uncountable nouns, we have to use the question, how much? Okay, how much?
How much?
Right? Whenever you are using this how much, it can be measured or it can be used to indicate the cost or the price. Okay, so much generally used to talk about the
Countable.
quantity of uncountable, not countable, quantity of uncountable. How many? Then
How many?
yes. So how many? It can
How
be,
many
yes. It can
money does
be
it?
about, no. How many? It can be used to talk about countable nouns.
Countable notes?
Yes. How many are there?
There are 4 pens.
Right. How many are there? I'm talking about
There are
how many are
pens.
there? How many?
How many?
So you can use the yes. Here you can write down the countable noun.
Sir, for how many are there, we can write there are 5 pens for uncountable, sir. Answer.
No. How many are there is countable.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How to answer
Countable.
uncountable? I said, sir.
You should not ask how many for uncountable. Sorry. This is the question you have to ask only for countable nouns, not for uncountable. If you want to ask uncountable, then you have to go for how much.
How much?
Right? How much is for uncountable? How many is for countable?
Countable.
Yes. So how many in the sense, then you can give the number. 5 pens or 10 members.
3 pens.
How we can answer
Five
uncountable
phones.
question, sir?
That's what I'm saying. If you want to talk about uncountable, you have to use the question how much, not the how many. How many only for countable. How much is only for uncountable. Okay, don't get confused. How many means countable nouns. How much means uncountable nouns. If you mix these two questions, you can be able to get the answer. Okay, you should not mix. For example, what is your name? For example, let me take any one of you. Ganesh. Right? So, for example, I'm talking about Ganesh, correct? Can I call the Ganesh as Rishikesh?
No, sir.
Why? It's just a name, right?
Yes, sir.
But why can't? Why shouldn't I call you as Ganesh? Of course, your name is Ganesh. Why shouldn't I call you as Rishikesh?
Because we will confuse.
Right. Because you will confuse, or you both have your own names, correct?
Yes.
So Ganesh has his name, Rishikesh has his own name, right? So we should not call them with other names because already they have given their names. The similar way, how many is only for countable. How much is only for uncountable. If you mix, then we have to call Ganesh as Rishikesh, Rishikesh as Ganesh. So we are changing the names. Understood the difference?
Sir.
We should not change the questions and we should not mix the questions. Okay? So simple thing. How much? Uncountable. How many? Countable. That's it. Is there any difficulty to understand?
No, sir.
So simple, but we need to understand only one thing. How many? Countable. How much?
How much?
Uncountable. That's,
Uncountable.
yes, very good. Now you're on the track. Right. So
How
now,
many means countable? How much means uncountable?
very good, very good. Ganesh is rocking today.
Rocking means what, sir?
Rocking means wonderful answer. His performance is really
I
fantastic.
already know about countable and uncountable, sir. I learnt in my school, sir,
Okay.
but I forgot some, sir.
Okay, no problem. It's quite common, right? We are human beings. Definitely, we will forget something. It doesn't mean that we always should remember all
I
the
also
things.
learn, sir, some.
Yes, definitely we will learn something. Definitely, sometimes we may forget, right? Once we talk about that
I will-
again, then we will recollect it. It's not a mistake.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah, Uma Maheshwar, tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, our sign has been said how much is for countable, how many is uncountable, sir.
Uh-huh.
My school sir has said how many is for uncountable, how much is for countable, sir.
No. They may have given by mistake. They may have given you in the wrong way. How many is for countable? Because how many friends do you have? I have 5 members friends, or I have 5 friends.
Ah, yes,
Correct.
sir.
Right?
I got it, sir.
No. I'm talking about Uma Maheshwar, right? So how many pens do you have? I have 2 pens, right? So I have 2 pens, red pen and blue pen. So here we are talking about countable. We are giving the number, right? So whenever you are able to talk about the number of noun, that is countable noun. So how many question is for countable? Don't get confused, right? So how much means we can be able to count. How much sugar do you have? I have 1 kilo of sugar. But we can't count the sugar, right? Can we be able to
Yes, sir.
count the crystals of sugar? We can't, right? Even
Yes.
how much water do you have? I have 1 bottle of water. I have
1 liter of bottle.
exactly, very good. I have 1 liter of water. But we can be able to count how many drops are there.
Yes, sir.
Right?
There are
Very good.
drops.
So how much is for uncountable? How many is for countable? Don't get confused. Okay? Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right. So for example, if they have given you how much does it cost, you can say simply $10, $8 like that. So here that question can be used for uncountable as well as you can use for indicate money. So how much money do you have? Not a lot. $10, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1 lakh
1,000
rupees. Yes, 1 lakh rupees, 1 crore. Your wish. Okay. So now we are
1 billion.
yeah, 1 billion, 1 trillion. Your wish.
1 trillion.
Right. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, what we are going to practice today is, we are going to use the questions for some time. We are going to practice the questions with how much. Then after we are going to practice the questions with how many. Right. So how much, how many. Okay. So first, who is going to ask the question? Okay, Rishikesh. Right, Rishikesh, ask the question with how much. Any question. How much money do you have? Next, how much does it cost? And how much distance from your school to your house? Right? How much time it will take for you to go from your school to home? Like that, whatever the question you can ask. Okay? You just ask one question to your friend, then after they'll ask the same question to you. Like that, complete the circle.
How yesterday happened, sir?
Huh.
Nanette,
friend.
how much sir?
Ask your friends.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Nanette, how much does does you have?
How much
How
does
much?
you have? What you are asking about? Mention that name.
How much water does you have?
How much water do you
Do
have?
you have?
Do you have? Not a does, do you have? How much
Not
water
a
do
lot.
you have? You don't need to use the same answer. You can use any answer. It's your wish.
I have
I
2
don't
liters
have.
of water.
I don't. I have 5 liters of water.
How how many
How much? For today only how much? For half of the
Okay,
time how
sir.
much? Then after we will go for how many?
how much sugar do you have?
Whom you are asking? For example, Rishikesh, understand one thing. For example, if you want to ask the question to Ganesh, mention the name. Ganesh, how much sugar do
Nanesh,
you have?
how much sugar do you have?
I did not. I have 5 kilos of sugar.
Right. So now Ganesh, wait a second. Now Ganesh has given the answer to Rishikesh. So now Ganesh can ask the question to anyone, next person. So it can circulate the circle. It has to involve all the people. Right. Ganesh can ask the question to next person.
Anish, how much does it cost?
Right. How much does it cost? Correct. Hanish, you just assume that he's asking about either the pen or mobile phone or anything. You just assume that and then answer. No
Sir,
problem.
I will mention some things, sir.
Yeah, you can mention the things also. That's great. That's what I said. Hey, Ganesh is rocking.
Sir,
That's what I said. Today, Ganesh is rocking. Very good.
Anish, how much does pen cost?
How much does your pen cost? Very good.
Does your pen cost? Next.
Hanish, your voice is not audible. Hanish, I think your headphones had a problem, right? So try to use the white one. I think, couple of days ago you used white color headphones, right? So try to use that. It's been giving a little bit extra sounds. Your voice is not coming out and it's giving some extra sounds, little bit disturbance, right? So try to use that. Right. So Ganesh, you can ask the question to the next person, anyone. Meanwhile, he'll change the headphones.
Danyata, how much pen does your cost? Does it
5
cost?
rupees. 5 rupees. Jahnavi,
Yeah, ask Daneta.
Jahnavi, how much distance from your house to school?
They are 3 kilometers.
So these are the people, these are the participants. You can use the name if you are not able to remember the names. Right? So
No,
Danyata, Jahnavi, Jnanesh, Rishikesh, Hanish, and Uma Maheshwar. Alright?
No, sir, already.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you forget,
I will not forget anything, sir.
very good, very good. Right. So now it's Jahnavi's time. Jahnavi, ask the question to next person.
How much?
Mention the name and ask the question. Ma.
Rishikesh, how much of sugar do you have?
I have 2 kgs of sugar.
Continue. You can ask the question. Next question. Rishikesh, you can ask next one. Anyone. So Danyata, Jahnavi, Jnanesh, Rishikesh, Hanish, and Uma Maheshwar is also there. Don't forget him. Try to involve him.
Okay.
Right.
Uma
Rishikesh,
Maheshwar, how much sugar do you have?
you don't need to ask the same question. You can ask any question.
Okay, sir.
I have 1 kg of sugar.
How much salt do you have?
I have 1 kg of salt.
Now it's Uma Maheshwar's time. Uma Maheshwar, you can ask anyone.
Rishikesh, how much did it cost?
How much does it cost? It means already it's in the past tense, right? So mostly we will ask how much does it cost. If he bought anything, then he can ask how much did it cost. He already bought a product and he brought to the house, then he can ask that question. Right? Right.
I said,
We should mention name thing, no, sir. Then we can say how much
Yeah.
it costs on.
Yes, yes. If you mention the name of that product, then it will be easy for the next person to understand and give the answer. For example, how much does it cost? There's like mobile phone or watch
How,
or pen.
how much does it cost? Mobile phone.
No,
Does
we can.
your mobile phone?
How much does it cost of mobile phone?
No, not like that. How much does your mobile phone cost?
Does your mobile phone? Okay, sir.
Exactly. How much does your mobile phone cost?
sir,
How much?
How much
How much
does
does
your
your
mobile phone
phone
cost?
cost?
Very good.
How much your book cost? Does it cost?
Very good.
sir, I'll ask.
Yeah. Osman, no problem. You can ask.
Rishikesh, how much does your dress cost?
My dress cost
Anything.
500 rupees.
Anything you can mention the answer. You don't need to bother about that. Even you don't need to think about it. My dress cost $10,000. Who will ask? Is there
I
anyone
said any
coming?
answer.
Yeah, you just need to understand how to answer. You don't need to give the exact price. We are not selling and buying now.
Company will ask, sir.
Who? Which company will ask? All companies are locked down. They are in the lockdown.
That company, sir.
That's what I'm saying. No company will come to you to ask how much does it cost. You just practice how to question and how to answer.
Okay, sir.
Right. Carry on. Now it's Rishikesh time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Start the question. Next question. Any different question, right?
Then Gita, how much water do you have?
Danyata, how much water do you drink every day? Right? How much food do you eat every day? Like that, you can ask. Change the questions. Same questions.
Okay, sir.
How much time do you sleep? How much time do you exercise? How much time do you walk? How much time do you read? How much time do you watch?
Time do you eat?
How much time go to bed?
Mhm.
How much time go to bed?
Right. How much time do you? No.
Do you go to bed?
No, it's wrong.
9:30.
No,
At 9:30.
this is not the right way of asking the question. When you go to bed.
Okay.
Here the question format is a little bit different, right? So how much time do you sleep?
How much time do you eat?
How much
How much time do you? How much time do you watch television?
Very good.
Danyata,
1 hour.
how much time do you watch television?
1 hour.
Right. Now, Danyata, you can ask the next question to anyone. It's your choice.
Ganesh, how much water you will drink daily?
I will drink 1 liter of water.
Daily only 1 liter?
No, sir. Of bottle.
That's what I'm asking. Only 1 liter for whole day?
Enough, sir, for
No, it's not enough.
9 liters, sir.
At least
9 liters.
how many?
I will drink 10 liters of water.
Sure.
I will drink minimum 4 liters.
Right. So, a common human being can drink minimum 4 liters to 7 liters, maximum 8 liters. More than that, we can drink per day.
Yes,
But
sir.
our body is full with 100 liters water, sir.
Our body is filled with 100 liters of water.
Yes, sir.
Where did you write? Where did you learn this?
I didn't learn, sir. Not 100 liters, sir.
Hmm?
I don't know correct number, sir.
Okay.
Our EVS madam told, sir.
Okay. What did she say?
Workout, sir.
No. What did she say? So how much? How
What
much
did
quantity water? More than 70% of water there in our body. More than 70%. Right?
Ah,
But that 70% of water in different forms like blood, right? So all the fluids in there in our body. So those are all in the form of different forms of water, right?
in the pipe?
Right. But wait a second. But if you want to stay healthy, at least you're supposed to drink
pure
minimum-
water, potable water.
Not two. You supposed to drink at least 4 liters to 7 liters to lose to stay healthy. Minimum 4 to 7, right? If you drink more than 7 liters, your kidneys will face a little bit extra work, extra burden on them. Or if you drink less than 4 liters, you know, your blood and your your body will dehydrate, and it will affect dehydration.
Blood cancers.
Yes, a lot of ill health will happen to you. A lot of ill health, you have to face a lot of ill health, right? So to avoid all those problems, minimum you have to drink minimum 4.
4 liters.
Yes, minimum 4, maximum 7 per day. Okay, so try to drink
Sir,
minimum.
2 days, sir.
Uh-huh.
2 days. 2 days.
I'm not getting your
Sir.
voice. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me, what's your question?
per day, how much will drink, sir? For only 1 day.
Minimum 4. maximum 7 liters of water.
For old, young person, 4%, sir.
Not young, old and all, right? So minimum 4 in the sense, this is the minimum. Less than that, it's not good for health, right? So
Yes, sir.
as much as water you can drink, you can drink. For
As much
example,
how can
yes. So I'm able to
How
drink
much
more
can
than 5 or 6 liters, right? So I'll drink as I'm feeling thirsty. Okay, minimum.
I
I'll
will
drink-
drink 6 liters, sir. Daily.
That's good.
after eating a few minutes we should drink water, sir.
Yes. After every half an hour, at least every half an hour, you need to drink at least a glass of water. Minimum a
Yes,
small
sir.
glass of water.
After completing our eating, we should not drink water, sir.
You
We
should
should
not-
give
yes.
gap,
Yes, you should not drink after any meal. After any meal, you
and
should
it
not
will
drink.
not digest
After
properly, sir.
Right. So our class is going from English to science. Right. So let us focus on English first. Then after, when we have the opportunity to talk about science, then after I'll give you. Right. So that is different training. Okay. So now we are not talking about nutrition and dietitian and yes,
Digestive system.
health tips. So that topic is different. When we need to talk about that topic, then I'll give you that information. First, focus on English
After
language.
that, okay, sir.
Okay. So now what we are going to do is, so far we discussed the questions on how much. Correct? Now we are going to focus a little bit on how many. Second type.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how many? How much is finished? Now how many? We are going to practice how many.
How many?
Right. So I'll give you that question first.
Books, things,
Right. So this is the
mobile phone.
yeah, you can use anything. So how many
Pen,
pens,
pencil.
persons, books, things, etc. Whatever
Water.
the thing, if you want to mention, you can mention that, and then you can talk about it. Understood? So now we are going to answer questions on how many, how much got completed. Now how many? Right.
Okay, sir.
So first, Hanish, ask the question with how many.
How many headphones do you have, Gnanesh?
Yes.
I have 4 headphones.
Now, Ganesh, we can ask the different question or same question to the next person.
Rishikesh, how many pens do you have?
I have almost 20 pens.
Now, Ganesh, sorry, Rishikesh time. You can ask anyone. Your wish. You
Okay,
can
sir.
ask the same question or different question.
Tanyata, how many chairs do you have?
How many chairs there are there in your house, or how many chairs do you have in your house, like that? Right, good. Nurse Dhanyadas.
Right.
Right. See, to answer. Wait a second. To ask the question, you don't need to feel hesitation, and to answer the question also, you don't need to feel the hesitation, because no one is coming and verifying whether you are giving the right or wrong answer. For example, if you ask me, how many houses do you have? I can say, I have 1,000 houses. Right?
1,000 houses.
Yes, 1,000
Yes,
houses.
sir.
That's what I'm saying. Whether it is right or wrong, it's not at all a matter. You just give the answer.
That's all.
Right. You are just practicing questioning and answering. Who will bother about whether it is right or wrong? If you ask me, how many vehicles do you have? I have 1 lakh vehicles in my house. Is it possible to have 1 lakh vehicles in one house?
No, sir.
Just
Different
give the
houses?
answer.
Yes.
Just give the answer, right? So you don't need to
It is,
bother. Yes, you don't need to bother about whether you are giving the correct answer or not.
Correct or wrong answers.
Right. We just need to understand how to give the correct answer.
Correct answer.
Yes.
How
How to give the answer, that's enough.
how to verify correct or wrong?
That's what I'm saying, Ganesh. For example, Ganesh, how many bicycles do you have?
I
we
have
can
1 crore bicycles.
I will
Okay.
tell one question.
Answer.
How many? Oh,
Yes, ask Rishikesh.
how many team players do you have in your team?
Right. So, for example, if you're talking about cricket, then you can mention the number. If it is football,
Volleyball.
How
then you can.
many team members?
That's what your wish. So, if it is football, mention the number of football players. If it is cricket, mention the number of cricket players. If it is hockey, mention
Volleyball.
yes. So, whatever the sport, whatever the game you are talking about, as per the rules and regulations, mention that number. Whether those people with you or not is immaterial for us. No one will talk about that. Okay. You just try to give the answer. It's enough.
That's all.
Right. Now it's Rishikesh's turn. Rishikesh, ask the question to the next person. Anyone?
Okay, sir.
Right. Start.
Hanish, how many team players do you have in your team?
There are 11 players in my team. Ganesh, how many books do you have?
I have 1 lakh books. Danyata, how many pens do you have?
I have 100 pens.
Right. You can ask the next person.
How many mobile phones do you have?
Mention the name. Mention the name.
Jahnavi, how many mobile phones do you have?
I have only one mobile phone.
GNANESH.
Rishikesh, Ganesh, Danyata.
Sir, Danyata spelling wrong, sir.
No problem.
Ranjit. It's boy name.
A want to come, sir. Last.
There should be A, not A want to come. Rishikesh, Ganesh, Danyata, Jahnavi, Hanish,
Honey.
Uma Maheshwar.
and Uma
Uma
Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Right. So these are the names. Don't forget. Now you can ask the next person. Anyone. Danyata, you can ask. Danyata asked Jahnavi, right?
Yes, sir.
Now Jahnavi, you can ask Ma. You can ask anyone.
How many friends do you have, Uma Maheshwara?
Very good.
I have 3 friends.
Right. Now Uma Maheshwar, you can ask next person.
Rishikesh, how many mobile phones do you have?
Very good.
I have 2 mobile phones.
Good. Now it's Rishikesh's turn. You can ask the next question.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Gnanesh, how many teachers do you have in your school?
Right. So here a little bit change. How many teachers are there in your school?
Are there in your school?
Yes.
Gnanesh, how many teachers are there in your school?
There are 7 teachers.
Right. So there are, wait a second. Ganesh, there are more number of teachers in my school, but 7 teachers are handling our class. Because you
Are
don't
coming to my class?
yes, handling, not coming. 7 teachers are
Are
handling
teaching
my
our
class.
class?
Yeah, 7 teachers are teaching my class. That's good. Very good.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yes, now Ganesh, you can ask different question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, ask anyone.
Anish, how many book things are there in your house?
How many books?
There are
Yes, sir. How many books are there in your house?
Right.
Anish.
Yeah, Anish, it's your turn.
There are 15 books in my home.
Very good, right? So if you're asking the next person, you have to mention house. But if you're talking about yourself, you have to mention home. Okay. For others, house. For you, home. What the difference? House and home. For me, this is my home. For you, this is my house. Okay? Understood? So, for example, if I want to talk about your house, I have to ask, is it your house?
Yeah, it is.
My
My
home.
home.
Very good. That
It
is
is
the way.
my home.
Very good. This is
Of
the way.
course.
Yes. So this is the way how you're supposed to answer.
Sir, we
Right.
can ask how many doors do you have in your home?
How many doors do you have in your house?
How many windows are there in your home?
House. You can ask windows, you can ask chairs, you can ask puppies, you can ask pets, you can ask birds, you can ask plants, you can ask fish, you can ask birds, you can ask pillows, anything.
Washing machine.
You can ask washing machines,
You can ask anything.
sofas.
You can ask
How many
anything.
rooms? How many rooms are there in your house?
Mention
How many comb? How many comb?
right. How many combs? Right. So don't ask how many hair are there in your head. They can be able to count one by one. Right.
There are uncountable hairs.
No, hair is uncountable. You should not mention hairs. Hair. Total hair. Not hairs. How much hair do you have? I have full hair. I have bald
I
hair.
have full hair.
Oh, no hair like that.
I have no hair.
Right. Very good. Great. So now it's your turn. Jahnavi, start the Jahnavi. Jahnavi, ask the question, ma. So Jahnavi, you can ask the question to Uma Maheshwar.
How many textbooks do you have, Uma Maheshwar Rao?
I have 7 textbooks.
Right. So Uma Maheshwar, you can ask to Rishikesh now.
Rishikesh, how many
How many activities?
how many dresses you have?
Do you have?
I have thousands of dresses.
That's it. Very good. I have thousands of dresses. I have dozens of dresses. I have tons of dresses.
Lack of dresses.
Very good.
I have billion of dresses.
Very good. Now it's
I have trillion of dresses.
right. Now it's Rishikesh turn. Rishikesh, ask the question to next person.
Mention the
Jahnavi,
name.
Jahnavi, how many cars are there in your house?
There are one car in our house.
Right. So if it is singular, there is one car in my house. Right?
There is
One
There
car.
is
If
one
more,
car in
then
my
you can use
house.
there are. Very good. So singular is, there is. Plural, there are.
they are
Not they, there are.
there are.
Very good. Right. Now, Jahnavi, it's your turn. You can ask anyone. Next question.
Danyata, how many windows do you have in your house?
I have 8 windows in my house.
Right. So now, so every time you have been giving a lot of answers. I have 10, I have 1,000, 1 lakh, 8, 5,
Can I ask
1.
this question, sir?
Wait a second, right? So every time you have giving the number, right? But if you observe here, how much money do you have? Not a lot, right? So they are not mentioning the number. You can give anything. For example, how many windows are there in your house? Not more. A few. Quite a few. Right?
How many ACs are there in your house?
There are
How many
none.
people are there in your house?
For example, if there is no AC in your house, you can say, there is none. Right?
There is
How
none
few? Yes.
in
we
your
have
house.
few. We have
Albums.
few.
How many albums are there in your home?
Right. So now, it's enough for questioning and answering. Right? Let's stop questioning and answering for now.